Today we're talking about the Cleanse Downlight by Healthe Lighting. Now this is a unique product in the disinfectant lighting space because it's a retrofit downlight product that produces general illumination or typical light that we would see from a downlight. But this also includes in the front of the downlight a module that produces Far-UVC or 222 nanometer UVC disinfectant light. Now what's unique about Far-UVC light is that scientists believe that this is safe for our skin and eyes, and at the same time it is effective at deactivating viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. So in an environment where we're looking for solutions to disinfect both air and spaces and surfaces, this is a really unique retrofit product on the market. Some germicidal ultraviolet products are designed to provide a high-intensity disinfection light all at once to disinfect a surface in between uses or maybe at the time of cleaning a hotel room, for example. The Cleanse Downlight is a little bit different. It's really designed to be put in place and to provide a continuous, low-intensity ultraviolet disinfection stream in an area. In the center of the unit, we have the ultraviolet disinfection lamp. And this is what actually produces the Far-UVC light that disinfects the air and surfaces around this downlight. There's also a motion sensor and infrared sensor right next to this, and I'll explain more about that in just a minute. And then we have the ring on the outside, which produces general illumination through typical LEDs. Paired with the downlight, there is an infrared remote, and this is how you actually set the different disinfection modes for the downlight. You can have the external general illumination ring on, you can have the ultraviolet light turn on at different frequencies, but effectively the remote is what's used to commission or to set up this downlight when it's first installed. Let's go ahead and install this downlight in the recess can housing that I have here. It is important to note that this comes with a medium base socket, so if you're looking to retrofit a recess can in a commercial building, you'll want to make sure that you have the correct socket. This includes a screw for the ground wire on the downlight. We'll secure this in place, and then we can connect the adapter and simply press the downlight in place. And you'll notice I'm not using a trim ring on this downlight right now. You would install the downlight unit and then place or replace the trim ring after this is installed. So it's really that simple to put these in place. A common application for these downlights might be over a nurse's station, over a welcome counter, or other areas where you might have high traffic or high touch surfaces that you'd like to keep clean and disinfected over time. The downlight also has many options for configuring how it runs. This is very important because the ultraviolet unit in the center has a life of around 2,000 hours. Now, if you're going to use that disinfection power, you certainly want to be very strategic about how you let that operate. The motion sensor allows you to activate automatically the ultraviolet energy when motion is detected. Maybe when motion isn't detected. You can pair that with when the ring of general LED lighting operates, and then you can also set how many minutes out of the hour, out of any given hour, that the ultraviolet unit is actually running. Let's look at an example of this unit operating. We'll go ahead and turn on the downlight, and I'm going to set this to a mode where it's going to run with the external LED ring on. And then what it does is it kicks on the ultraviolet light a certain percentage of the time during any given hour. This is a great mode that extends the life of the module in the center. It gives you some light output on the outside so that that downlight is still functional from a light standpoint. And then it also gives that continuous periodic disinfection dose over time. Now, the module in the center has actually turned on and it's very faint, so we'll show you a clip of what this looks like in a dark room when the unit is illuminated. If you've been tracking with us on how to use germicidal ultraviolet light to disinfect spaces and surfaces, then the word dose is something that you'll be familiar with, which is basically determining how much ultraviolet energy does it take to make a surface or an area clean after this runs. Now, the Cleanse Downlight, the ultraviolet unit in the center of this, is designed to provide 23 millijoules per square centimeter over an 8-hour day at a distance of about 3 feet. So as compared to some other germicidal ultraviolet fixtures, this is on the lower end of the spectrum, but it is enough to be able to deactivate many viruses and other pathogens. Thank you for taking a minute to learn more about the Cleanse Downlight and how this product is bringing a new set of innovation into the germicidal ultraviolet category.